अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। मेहर एकं मेहर नित्यं मेहर सत्यं सुन्दरं मेहर एकं मेहर नित्यं मेहर सत्यं सुन्दरं मेहर स्वामी सकल धामी मेहर स्वामी सकल धामी त्वं नमामि मेहरं त्वं नमामि मेहरं मेहर एकं मेहर नित्यं मेहर सत्यं सुन्दरम् विश्वकर्ता सकलत्राता दुरितहरता मेहरं विश्वकर्ता सकलत्राता दुरितहरता मेहरं पूर्णशक्ति प्रेममूर्ति पूर्णशक्ति प्रेममूर्ति दिव्यशान्ति सागरम् दिव्यशान्ति सागरम् मेहर एकं मेहर नित्यं मेहर सत्यं सुन्दरम् भक्तवत्सल सतत अविचल परम प्रेमल मेहरं भक्तवत्सल सतत अविचल परम प्रेमल मेहरं स्वयं ज्ञानं पतित पावन स्वयं ज्ञानं पतित पावन दीनबन्धु मेहरं दीनबन्धु मेहरं मेहर एकं मेहर नित्यं मेहर सत्यं सुन्दरम् सहज दर्शन चरण स्पर्शन से हो परमानन्दनं सहज दर्शन चरण स्पर्शन से हो परमानन्दनं परम सुन्दर अति दयालु परम सुन्दर अति दयालु सत्कृपानिधि मेहरं सत्कृपानिधि मेहरं मेहर एकं मेहर नित्यं मेहर सत्यं सुन्दरम् सतत जाके स्मरण ही से पूरित होवे जीवनम् सतत जाके स्मरण ही से पूरित होवे जीवनम् मधुसूदन यदि चरण जावे मधुसूदन यदि शरण जावे मेहेर नित्यं मेहेर सत्यं सुन्दरम् मेहेर स्वामी सकलधामी मेहेर स्वामी सकलधामी त्वं नमामि मेहेरम् त्वं नमामि मेहेरम् मेहेर एकं मेहेर नित्यं मेहेर सत्यं सुन्दरम् मेहेर सत्यं सुन्दरम् मेहेर सत्यं सुन्दरम्। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
सावला तू मेरी सुखावला तू तुझा आलिंगनी सावला
जो जगी प्रेमासी या दुरावला तो तुझा आलिंगनी विसावला. The central theme of the song, or in fact I would say our lives, is the fact that one who is denied or deprived of love can find solace in beloved Meher Baba's embrace. And once we start loving him, we realize whatever we receive from him alone has any lasting value and enduring effect. One of the best compliments that was received was from Madhusudan Kund, who said that this was one of his favorite compositions.
आलिंगनी विसावला.
श्रवण सुने तो नाम तिहारो, रसना तुह गुण गावे. छोड़ जगत के फंदे मनुबा, एक तुम्ही को ध्यावे. बसो मोर नैनन में ऐसे, तुम्ही छोड़ नहीं और लखाई. सुरति एक रट मेहर नाम की, दूजो और न साई.
वही अव्वल वही आखिर वही ज़ाहिर वही बातिन
जो था दरियाए वहदत बन गया कसरत नुमा
मुझे काम अपने काम से, न गरज किसी से वास्ता मुझे काम अपने काम से. तेरे जिक्र से तेरे फिक्र से तेरी याद से तेरे नाम से, तेरे जिक्र से तेरे फिक्र से तेरी याद से तेरे नाम से. हरि परमात्मा परमात्मा अल्लाह अल्लाह तेरा ही जिक्र है, अल्लाह तेरा ही रूप है, अल्लाह तेरा ही रंग है, अल्लाह परमात्मा अल्लाह बस गॉड इज नाम, हरे 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 परमात्मा अल्लाह बस गॉड इज नाम, मेहरबा 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 तू इलाही, 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 मेहरबा हरि परमात्मा अल्लाहुर मस्त गॉड इज नाम, हरि परमात्मा अल्लाहुर मस्त गॉड इज नाम। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। हरि परमात्मा अल्लाहुर मस्त गॉड इज नाम, 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 हरि परमात्मा अल्लाहुर मस्त गॉड इज नाम। मेहरबा 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 तू इलाही, 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 मेहरबा 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 तू इलाही। हरि परमात्मा अल्लाहुर मस्त गॉड इज नाम, 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 हरि परमात्मा अल्लाहुर मस्त गॉड इज नाम। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, 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 मेहर बाबा की जय। मेहर बाबा की जय, बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. I am Ramesh Jangle, trustee Avatar Meher Baba Trust, Mehrabad. Today I got opportunity to share my family story with you all Baba lovers. My father came to Meher Baba in 1938. It so happened when Baba, as his ashram here in Mehrabad, as the ashram was growing, Vishnu Master was doing all shopping in bazaar and marketing for Mandali members. So that time, when the lot of work is increased, so one day Vishnu Master requested Meher Baba, Baba, can I have one additional person who can handle this marketing because a lot of work is there. So Baba says, yes, it's a good idea, you can go ahead and how can we go and how can we find a good person? So he suggested that we can give advertisement in newspaper, local newspaper, and we can find a person who can come here and do our marketing. So Baba has given green signal. So then Vishnu Master went to Nagar, one editor, newspaper, local newspaper editor, and he met him and he told him that we need a person for marketing. So can you give this advertisement in newspaper? So he says, fine, I will give an advertisement in newspaper, but my request is there. One of my friends who was here in this ashram school, so he was doing marketing for these school boys, this ashram school boys. So he is not here, he is away from here 200 kilometers. Can I write a letter? He says, yes, but still you can go ahead and give the advertisement in newspaper and also write him letter. So accordingly, that editor, his name was Nisal. So he has written a letter to my father. We were living, my father's native place is Chalisgaon, near on the Manmad road. Near Chalisgaon, like Ahmednagar and Mehrabad, one village, 8 kilometers, our Wagli is our village. So my father was living there. So he got a letter and he was very happy to see that the opportunity is there. Our family background is that our family, my grandfather, and they were very poor farmer family. So after study, after 12th standard, further there is no money for him to study. So he went back to his home and he was helping my grandfather in farming. So as he got the letter, he approached my grandfather and he showed that letter that I got opportunity for job, so I want to go. So give me money for my railway ticket. So that time my grandfather was not having even 3 rupees for this railway ticket. So then he borrowed money from his friend and he came to Ahmednagar. And he, as instructed in the letter, he has to see Vishnu Master in one of medical shop. So accordingly, he met Vishnu Master and he saw him and Vishnu Master explained him everything. Meher Baba's ashram is there. That till that time he was not knowing who is Meher Baba. Even though he was 4 or 5 years in Ahmednagar, he was studying in ashram school. So he was not knowing about Meher Baba. So he says, yes, I need a job. So whatever job is there, I will do. So next day appointment is fixed. So he says, come down to Mehrabad early morning. So he reached here 6 o'clock. As usual, Baba used to come from the Meher Baba Samaj Tekdi area to the lower Mehrabad in Rauri cabin and see that day-to-day what you call posts and everything, the letters and the day-to-day work. So morning 8 o'clock, along with Vishnu Master, my father met Meher Baba and Rauri cabin. So there, but till that time, a funny story. When my father came to Meher Baba, so 8-10 days passed. Even though the advertisement given in local newspaper, nobody approached with this newspaper, daily newspaper, and nobody has applied for that job. And then my father came. First question Baba asked my father, even though this letter you got, why you came late? So my father says, Baba, I was not having money for a train ticket. So I borrowed money and I came. So he says, okay, fine. Here what you studied? First question he asked, what you studied? He says, I studied my 11th standard exam. Do you want to study further? He says, yes, Baba, if I got opportunity, I will definitely want to study further more. Baba said, if you want to stay here, you will not study more. He says, okay, I need a job. I came for a job. So, okay. So, Baba says, whatever, have you married? He says, yes, I am married. And I got, well, you can't bring your wife here because you are all main Mandila are leaving and there is no family quarters available for you right now. So he also agreed for that. And Baba, he says, okay, Vishnu Master will explain you everything about your job and 20 rupees per month I will give you to support. And you will have to stay with him here with the Mandali member and food and everything you will get here. So accordingly, from next day he started his marketing, shopping with Vishnu Master. One horse tanga was there, a horse cart, and he used to go with Vishnu Master for 1 or 2 days. He explained him from where to buy materials like vegetables, medicines, other shopping, and other Mandali members work for this bank work and any Baba other work. So every day morning he has to go 8 o'clock and come back in the evening. So till that time, my wife, because my father, when he came to Nagar for study, so he was 14 years old and my mother was 10 years old. That time he got married. But he left my mother there, our grandfather's place, and he came for further study. So he started his work, everyday work. Accordingly, his name was Lakshman Gangaram Jangle. But Baba gave him name Jangle Master. Master means school master also, and Bajar. He was doing Bajar means marketing, Bajar Master. So his name was given by Baba Jangle Master, not his full name. So his name was there. Still, on his grave, his name is there, Jangle Master. So accordingly, he started, and again, when after 1 year, when Baba went to Bangalore, he came to 1938 to Meher Baba, Bangalore, for setting a new ashram in Bangalore. When he went there, he was doing self-helping. Baba was marketing, bringing people from the stations to the ashrams, and whatever the work is there, Baba is given, that he was doing. One day, my grandfather has sent a letter to him. Here you went there and you are enjoying there alone, but your wife is here with me and she is burden for me. Please take her with you. So that letter my father showed to Meher Baba, and my Meher Baba says, okay, when we will go back to Meherabad, that time you remind me, and then I will let you know whether you should bring your wife here or not. Accordingly, when after some months, when they came back again to Meherabad, so he went to Baba and he reminded Baba, Baba, you told me that, please remind me about this. He says, okay, you can go and bring your wife, but you can't stay in ashram, you will have to stay in village till those family quarters will be available. So he went back and he brought my mother, and they were staying in Arangaon village. Walubai, who was long associated with Meher Baba, her small house was there. My father started living there. After 2 years, he got family quarters available in Meherabad. So he started living there, and next to us, that Chagan Master's family was there, Sidhuji was there, Kotwal family was living next to us. So accordingly, he was doing everything. And meanwhile, in 1948, 1947, after all this Pakistan and India separation, all refugees, they came and started separate different areas and cities campaign. So in Meherabad also one camp was there for refugee people. So that time Soros was doing all this theatre. He was showing all the films, different rescue camps. So Meherabad also he started, but he requested Meher Baba, if Mandali member look after this theatre, and whatever the money income will be there, generate, that this will go to Meher Baba, to our ashram and your day-to-day needs. So accordingly, my father, every day he used to go to the marketing Ahmednagar, shopping. After coming there, he used to go to Baba Theatre. He was doing watchman duty, he was doing ticket keeper duty, and sometimes he was doing this operator, film operator. So all this, and he used to come back night time, late about 12:30, and again morning, same thing. In meanwhile, in 1952, I born in family quarters. We are five brothers and sisters, three brothers and two sisters. I am only the last one, fifth one. So I born in family quarters 1st December 1952. So there, when that with Baba Mandali, I got opportunity to have close contact with Meher Baba because born here with Baba's area, Baba's ashram. So when I was 2-3 years old, whenever my mother used to go Tekdi, that time we used to call Tekdi Samadhi area. There Baba has shifted already to Mehrabad, but sometimes he used to come and stay in Mehrabad with all women Mandali members. So that time women Mandali were staying at Upper Mehrabad and men Mandali at Lower Mehrabad. So every day my mother and this Kotwal, Mrs. Kotwal, Sawa Kotwal family. So they and Walubai, they used to go every day 3 o'clock to Samadhi, means Upper Mehrabad, and help women Mandali, cleaning grain, making chapati, stitching, whatever work was there for women Mandali. That time only I am a small kid, and Baba allowed me to my mother to bring me along with her to this Upper Mehrabad. My other brothers, they were not allowed to go there because they are grown up and they were doing playing here and there and they were doing mischief. So that time I got opportunity to do that. And whenever my mother is busy with this other work, so Mani auntie, Mera auntie, they used to take me and they used to play with me. Sometimes whenever Baba is available, Baba used to take me on his lap, and that I am fortunate to have with this Baba and my childhood with Baba. So as I grown up here, my school, all the schooling up to 7th standard, primary school in Jilla Parishad Primary School in Arangao itself, because we were living in family quarters, very close to family quarters. There is no accommodation or anything to go to Ahmednagar or further or English medium school. This school was Marathi medium school till 7th standard. After 7th standard, I started going to Ahmednagar by cycling for further my study. But there also in school, semi-English school, not full English school. So English and till there, all my colleges and everything I have done there. My colleges, I graduated in commerce and I did my business management course. And here by Baba's grace, I got job here in insurance company, New India Assurance Company.
One break.
So I joined New India Assurance Company here as a development officer. And Baba's grace, that time one big company, Videocon company, started here. That all business I got and everything all over India, import, export, I was handling. So I got all promotions till division manager in Ahmednagar itself because my business portfolio was #1 in Maharashtra. And that time I got opportunity because I remember Baba told me when I was studying in a school, don't leave Mehrabad. Once this happened when we went to Mehrabad, so he was inquiring about with my family. He was inquiring about me and my family and everyone. So that time my two brothers, they were working. One is Mumbai, another was Pune. So he says, don't leave Mehrabad. So you stay here. And Baba's case, I got job here and all promotions, everything in Mehrabad, means Ahmednagar itself. So I used to go from Mehrabad to Ahmednagar for my job. And my job was development officer. I used to go here and there. So same time I used to help trust office, Adi K. Irani, who used to Samini, I was doing that. And after my college, after my this job, so whatever I was getting time, I was helping them, I told you. And after that, some experiences about with me, I will tell my mother that one incident happened. When Baba's strict order was there, not to bring anyone here, whenever my mother used to go to help women Mandali. So that time my grandmother came here. See, they were all Orthodox farmer family. And every day afternoon, 3 to 6, he used to go there and help Mansari with Valubai and his Valubai and my mother and get Mrs. Kotwa. So that time she says, you people are going there, you are enjoying, and you are not telling, or you are not allowing me to go accompany with you. What is there? Baba says not to bring anyone here. So every day when she was coming home, my grandmother was torturing her, abusing her, and she was fighting with her. Something is there, you go there for enjoyment, you go there. Who is Meher Baba? How is he not allowing me? So one day, after 3-4 days harassment, my mother requested Mani auntie that my grandmother, she didn't, mother-in-law, sorry, my mother-in-law, she is forcing me to come. Every day she is harassing me and she is torturing me. So can I allow her to bring her one day here? So she says, okay, go ahead and bring her, only for one day, one visit. So one day my mother took her, my grandmother along with her to this Upper Mehrabad. And there, when they went there, Baba saw her. And then after they went back, Baba asked Mani, why she came here? So Mani explained Baba everything. Baba, she was torturing Muktabai, my mother's name is Muktabai, every day. And she says, oh, you are going, you are enjoying, you are not allowing. Who is Meher Baba? Why is not allowing there? So I permitted. So Baba got annoyed with Mani. He said, when I told you not to allow anyone, why you allow her? So okay, next time don't do any mistake. He also warned Mani and my mother, both. So while they coming back in the evening, 6 o'clock, or near our house, family quarters, we were living, on the roadside, about little bit, it started dark. And while my mother was walking front, and my grandmother was behind, and Valubai, they were behind. So one big snake crossed through my mother's leg. And she says, Baba, she back behind. So she very frightened, very big snake. And then she could not sleep whole night. And next day when my mother went there, so Baba first question asked, what happened in the evening, yesterday evening, while you are going home? So she told Baba, this has happened. He says, once you broken my order, so this is punishment for you. This is only my guess, what you call this small, my glimpse of what punishment I have given. But next time don't break my order. So after going there, my grandmother, she saw everything, and afterwards she never tortured my mother. These type of small stories, there are a lot of stories are there, but time is short because everybody knows me, as a Ramesh, but they don't know so many Baba lovers, they don't know about my family, my stories, and Jungle Master. So afterward, once Baba decided to go for a new life in 1948, every day he used to have the meetings in a Mandali hall in Lower Mehrabad. So one day when he called everyone with Mandali members, that time my father was there. So that time Baba declared, from now onward you will be as a Mandali member. Till that time he was doing all marketing and that. Even though Baba declared him Mandali member, so even whoever asked him, he was saying, I am Baba's servant. He never said that I am Mandali member. He was very low profile person. He was doing marketing. And that time only Baba made the list whose grave will be here, main Mandali, Lower Mehrabad, and women Mandali, Upper Mehrabad. So accordingly, my father's grave is there next to the Bhauji's, and he is buried there. So after Baba decided to go in new life, so Baba told if anybody want to come and join with me, so he has to come alone. He has to send his family members to their native place. So Baba winded up everything here. Baba said, I am not going to come back. So he asked my father, how you will leave him? So you go your native place and you search any new job. He says, Baba, I will not leave this place and I will not search any job. I will stay here only. He says, how you will survive? Because you will not get money, anything, no food. He says, I will starve, I will die here, but I will not leave this place. I said, Baba, okay. And I can't come with you because my family there, my small children are there. I can't come with you also. So after some days, Baba says, okay, you stay here and look after Kekobat family. And all not there. Very few banks were there, and people were they were all illiterate, and they were not keeping their money or gold or anything in the banks. So some people they used to give with Pendu Kaka, that those their jewelry, money, or some their documents, legal documents. So that work also some important work also they have given to my father to look after all, taking care of this all villages. So this after when Baba went, so that day we were that time up to the New Life time we were living in family quarters. When Baba went to New Life, so our family they moved to Meherabad, where near Mandalore, where now Padri's kitchen was there. That room there we were staying. And some days back, I remember when those days I was in school. My father, Baba was when
उठा उठा सोडाळसा उभा ठाकला सर्वेश अमृताचा घेऊनी कलश अमरपदी नेण्या आला आला पहा देव आला अहो आला पहा देव आला पहा प्रभू आला अवतार आला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला आला पहा देव आला अहो आला पहा देव आला पहा प्रभू आला अवतार आला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला ज्याच्या भेटीसाठी जन्मकोटी ज्याच्या भेटीसाठी जन्मकोटी ऋषी मुनी करीती कटपाटी ऋषी मुनी करीती कटपाटी ध्यान लावूनी आगिरी कपाटी ध्यान लावूनी आगिरी कपाटी विना कष्ट भेटण्या मला विना कष्ट भेटण्या मला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला याहू याहू चला दर्शनाला कसे सांगू आची तो देवा कसे सांगू आची तो देवा जीव तुटतो पाहुनी संधिया जीव तुटतो पाहुनी संधिया जळू जळू वृथा हा मोह जळू जळू वृथा हा मोह जळू जळू वृथा जरी नाही आता धावणार, जरी नाही आता धावणार, देव नाही वाट पाहणार, देव नाही वाट पाहणार, पश्चाताप पुढे होणार, पश्चाताप पुढे होणार, सत्य जेव्हा कळेल जगाला, सत्य जेव्हा कळेल जगाला, याहो चला दर्शनाला, याहो चला दर्शनाला. ऐका जीवन ही एक जुगार, ऐका जीवन ही एक जुगार, एका जन्माची काय फिकीर, एका जन्माची काय फिकीर, कोटी जन्मात एकला वाढावा बर, 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 मधुसूदन उदैवी हवरा, मधुसूदन उदैवी हवरा, याहो चला दर्शनाला, याहो चला दर्शनाला. आला महादेव आला, अहो आला महादेव आला, महाप्रभू आला, अवतार आला, याहो चला दर्शनाला, याहो चला दर्शनाला, याहो चला दर्शनाला, चला दर्शनाला, चला दर्शनाला, चला दर्शनाला.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, 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 हेची श्रेष्ठ काम, हेची श्रेष्ठ काम माझ्या जीवा, हेची श्रेष्ठ काम माझ्या जीवा, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम. लावीन आवडी मना तुझ्या चिंतनाची, लावीन आवडी मना तुझ्या चिंतनाची, सोडवाही बेडी, सोडवाही बेडी विकारांची, विकारांची, सोडवाही बेडी विकारांची, विकारांची, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम. तुझ्या कीर्तनाचे नित्य लागू ते व्यसन, तुझ्या कीर्तनाचे नित्य लागू ते व्यसन. करीन भजन, करीन भजन, पूजन तुझे, पूजन तुझे. गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम. मधुसूदना नको अन्य तुझ वीण, मधुसूदना नको अन्य तुझ वीण. माझे हे मी पण नष्ट करी, नष्ट करी. माझे हे मी पण नष्ट करी, नष्ट करी. गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम. हेची श्रेष्ठ काम, हेची श्रेष्ठ काम माझ्या जीवा, हेची श्रेष्ठ काम माझ्या जीवा. गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम, गाईन मेहरबा तुझे गोड नाम. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय.